Hi, awesome, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am Alexa Adun, and today I'll be doing like a DIY at home wall decor thing for my wall over there. I think it's kind of just blank, so definitely keep watching if you want to see how I took my room from this to this. So you'll be needing a straw board or carton. I got this from a bookshop. And then you'll also need a transparent inkjet paper, A4 size. I couldn't get one, so I got laminating paper instead. And then you'll need to print out your designs from your phone. You know, the ones you saved from Canva. This is a black tape I literally got from an electrical shop. And then, of course, a pair of scissors. And then this paper cutting thing. I really don't know the name, Paul. You see, yeah. And then what you want to do first is place your cutout or your printout, place your printout on the carton or straw board and then trace out carefully. I would suggest that you do not use your bed like I am doing here, but you know, be safe. And trace out carefully the line. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and cut with your scissors like I'm doing here. So yeah, I'm just trying to use this part to cut out the other part to like trace the lines so I can cut easily, because I'll be cutting out 4 of these straw boards out. So yeah, I'm just going to place my laminating paper on the straw board I cut out. And it was at this point I realized one laminating paper actually contains 2 parts, like 2 films or whatever they are called. And then I figured it would be better to use 1 film, because when I tried using the 2 like it came, it wasn't as clear as when I used just one part of the paper you get. So this is clearer, and I decided to go with 1 film. So if you're using a laminating paper, please use 1, because they are like double layered. And then next I'm going to tape the edges round. I'm going to tape around the edges of the laminating paper on the straw board. You'll see. And here I'm just going to carefully slide in one of the designs I'm using. And you want to be very careful at this point, because you know it's tight and you don't want anything to cut accidentally. So and that was how I successfully made 4 of these designs, and I absolutely love them. So we literally went from this to this. Don't you love it?